Hi, good morning, students. I think everyone are safe in your home. So, as I have been completed already the one and off model in your classes, so the remaining line parameters as well as underground cables has been sent to your Google classrooms. So, I have been sent the PPT of underground cables, which you can easily understand. Then coming to the fourth model, that is performance of transmission line. So performance of transmission line, as already you know that we are going to check what is the performance of a transmission line. So before going to the performance of transmission line, I have been sent the notes for your line parameters. As we have discussed, there are three parameters which affects your transmission line. One is resistance, inductance and capacitance. So these are the three line constants we call it as. So these three kind line constants will have an effect on your transmission line. So we need to consider these influence of these three line parameters while finding out your voltage drop, line losses as well as efficiency of your transmission line. Ultimately our aim is to find out how efficiency the power is transferred from one end to the other end. That is what the performance of a transmission line we are going to check out here. So in order to check the performance of a transmission line, has the performance of transmission line, the transmission system is very large enough, so it is very difficult to find out the total system of the transmission line system. So we have been classified into different classifications. So there are these are the important consideration which you need to consider in designing and operation of your transmission line. So transmission line system has been mainly classified into three types: short transmission line, medium transmission line and long transmission line. So again, in medium transmission line we have three, that is end condenser method, nominal T method, nominal pi method, and in long transmission line we have rigorous method and ABCD parameter. So we'll see how they have been classified as short, medium and long, and then we'll see in the medium transmission line how they have been classified as end condenser method, on what basis they have been considered as classified as nominal T method or pi method. Similarly in case of your long transmission line. So we will go one by one. So first we will go for a short transmission line. So there you have a derivation part of it. So we will go with the derivation and then the problem. Similarly with the medium transmission line, first we will go with the end condenser method, problem, nominal T method and a problem, nominal pi method and a problem, so on with the long transmission line. So before going to this, we need to have some important terms that you need to learn before going to find out here. So as already I have been told, the major parameter, the terms what you are going to find out here is about your voltage regulation and the transmission efficiency and the line losses. So ultimately our aim is to find out your line losses as then find out your transmission efficiency. So what exactly an voltage regulation here? Normally when you say that the voltage regulation is nothing but the change of voltage from no load to the full load with respect to the full load voltage. So here similar to that, so with a small variation, so the difference in the voltage at the receiving end of the transmission line between the conditions of no load to full load is called as voltage.